Oh, did it go to Smashing Pumpkins?
Yeah.
Is that the one you want to hear?
No.
You want, which one? The one before it?
Mm-hmm.
What's this song called? Do you know?
I like this song.
What do you want?
Long pumpkin one.
The Smashing Pumpkins? Do you know what it's called? Do you know what that song is called? Well, that's why you don't paint your own fingernails, Amelia, because then you get nail polish on your arms.
What, Mom?
Right? We're never painting our own fingernails again, are we?
What?
We're never painting our own fingernails again, right?
Right.
Okay.
I don't think I want this one. On the pumpkin song.
Okay. Do you want the pumpkin song on your headphones? Or do you just want me to turn it on? Just like this?
Mm-hmm. On the pumpkin one.
This is it. Can you headbang? No, that's gross.
No, Mama, I'm a baby.
A baby that really likes Smashing Pumpkins?
Why finger saying? No, this finger.
Wait, it's your part. Is this where he's saying? Oh. No, not yet, I guess. Would you like to go to their concert someday? No, honey, that'll be way too loud in your ears. Mommy has to turn it down first.
Can you put this in?
Yes. Okay, now put your headphones on. You're there. Ow, Belle. Is it still the Smashing Pumpkins?
Uh-huh.
Are you done rocking out? Did you turn it off?
I can't hear it.
Oh, it must be over.